Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for CUET PG history. First, thoroughly understand the syllabus, focusing on ancient, medieval, and modern Indian history. Next, familiarize yourself with the exam pattern, including the number of questions and sections. Pay close attention to the marking scheme to strategize your attempts. Analyzing previous question papers will reveal important topics and question types, giving you a significant advantage. Building a strong foundation is crucial. Start by mastering fundamental concepts from NCERT textbooks, especially those from classes 11 and 12. Supplement these with standard reference books for in-depth understanding of specific periods. As you study, create concise notes for quick revision, focusing on important dates, events, and personalities. This systematic approach ensures comprehensive coverage and better retention. Consistent practice and revision are key to success. Regularly practice multiple-choice questions from various sources to enhance your speed and accuracy. Take full-length mock tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. After each test, thoroughly review your performance to identify weak areas. Focus on improving these specific topics to maximize your score. On exam day, develop a strategic approach for attempting the paper, managing your time effectively across sections. Maintain a balanced study schedule, ensuring you get adequate rest and nutrition. Prioritizing self-care is vital for peak performance. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Stay calm and confident, trusting in your preparation to achieve your best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.